A resource is a catalog object that represents an external data source or metadata repository from where scanners extract metadata. A resource represents an instance of a specific resource type. A resource type is a type of external data source or any other metadata repository from which live data map extracts metadata. Examples include relational sources, business intelligence sources, and power center sources. We will now create a resource to extract metadata from an Oracle source. Enter the basic information such as the name and description. We will now select the resource type. Live Data Map has several inbuilt resource types under different headings, such as Cloud, Business Glossary, Big Data, Data Integration, Business Intelligence, Database Management, and Application. Select the resource type that meets your business requirement. In this demo, we will choose Oracle under the Database Management header. You can now see the fields associated with the Oracle resource connection. We will now enter the connection details. Click Test Connection to verify that everything is fine with the connection. Click Next to configure what type of metadata you want to extract from the Oracle source. You can choose to extract only the basic source metadata or add more metadata, such as profiling statistics. Profiling statistics include column value distribution, data patterns, and similarity profile. Configure the source metadata and profile metadata settings as required. Click Next. You can create custom attributes based on the search filters that you need to use in external applications where you search for metadata. Custom attributes help you quickly find specific metadata in the applications that you use to search for metadata. For example, you might want to create a custom attribute named Data Center Location and assign it to some of the resources. You can then use that custom attribute in Live Data Map to quickly filter resources associated with a specific location. You can also configure the custom attributes in such a way that you automatically apply custom attributes to all the objects, such as tables and columns loaded through the resource. In this demo, we will not create custom attributes. Click Next to move to the Schedules tab. Schedules determine when resources extract metadata from sources. You can have recurring daily, weekly, and monthly schedules to extract metadata at regular intervals. Create a reusable schedule if you want to assign multiple resources to the same schedule. You can assign separate schedules to a resource to extract source metadata and fetch profile metadata results. In this demo, we will not assign a schedule to the resource. Click Save and Run to run a scan on the resource. You can click Save to save the resource without running a scan on it. In this demo, we will save and run a scan on the resource. Click Save and Run. We will now log into the Informatica Enterprise Information Catalog to view the scan results. Informatica Enterprise Information Catalog helps you search, organize, and retrieve metadata for configured data assets in your organization. On the Enterprise Information Catalog homepage, we will now type Customer Sales in the search box and then click the search icon to search for the resource that we created in the Live Data Map Administrator. Click the link to view more information about the scan results. You can now have a more comprehensive view of the metadata that was scanned using the resource. That completes this demo. To summarize, we created a resource to extract metadata from an Oracle source. We configured the resource to extract source metadata and fetch profiling results. After we ran a scan on the resource, we logged into the Informatica Enterprise Information Catalog to view the scan results.